Hello and welcome back to Tesla Raj. Hopefully you guys all had a great new year. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I wanted to cover a couple housekeeping things. Number one, if you're not already following me on Twitter or Instagram, please consider following me there as I'm always posting content. Number two, I've had a lot of comments in my previous videos about some of the gear that I've been wearing. So what I'm gonna do going forward is put a link down below in the description of the gear that I'm wearing. Today's shirt comes from Atomic 3 Apparel. They've got a little throwback here to the periodic element of lithium, which is what the batteries in our cars are made of. And they've got a bunch of different designs and cool stuff on the site, so if you're interested, go and check them out. What I want to launch is a new segment called The More You Know, Tesla Raj Edition. Today's segment is going to be how to store more destinations in the navigation system on your Tesla other than home and work. Let's take a look. The first thing to understand is that on the navigation menu, when you click on navigate, you do get the options to configure home and work. Outside of that, there's no really obvious way on how to store more addresses. Let's say you had a location that you wanted to save as a frequent location. Let's take, for example, let's do Starbucks in Palo Alto. To the right of that, you're going to see the pin. If we click on that pin, a pop-up menu is going to come up showing you the details of that Starbucks, including the address, the reviews, what times they're open, how to quickly navigate or call there, how far away they are, and what I want to call attention to is the heart. If you click on that heart, it will ask you to name this favorite, and we can name it anything from morning coffee and add that to our favorites. Now you'll see that the heart is highlighted. Let's go ahead and click out of that and go back into our navigate menu. Back in now on the navigate menu, when you click on navigate, you'll notice that below the home and work, you've got now recents, which is always showing, but now you've got a favorites option. Clicking on favorites will show you your stored addresses. You can use this for places that you like to frequent, multiple family destinations, multiple work destinations, and so forth. And then if we wanted to remove a favorite, when you're on the favorites screen, just swipe to the right and that will remove it. And you'll see that was my only favorite. And now my favorites menu is gone. Hopefully you learned something amazing off of that, The More You Know. If you haven't already checked out my orientation videos on your Tesla Model 3, I'll put a link to that right above. And if you're looking at buying a new Tesla, Model 3, Model S, or Model X, consider using my referral code. It helps out the channel, and as well, you get supercharging with that. Again, thanks for all the support and all the love, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Remember to fuel on electricity.